Hello teacher, today I am going to present my final project. Fructose. Introduction. Fructose is a sugar that is naturally present in fruit juice, some vegetables and honey. It is used to sweeten many processed foods. The company name is Poco Sugar. Mission. The company's goal is that people can enjoy sweet natural taste without causing serious damage to their body. Vision. What I hope for our company is that in 20 years it will become known internationally, since I want to change the damage that unhealthy companies cause to children, since they are generally the most affected worldwide. Products. So far, there are 3 products for which the company offers honey and assorted fruits. Honey. This is used to sweet drinks such as tea or fruit water. Guava, it can be eaten without any preparation, but for the purpose of rich children, water is a better option. Guava water is refreshing and soothing. Mango, a fruit very loved by many, can be enjoyed in water or use the fruit, which has multiple such benefits for the skin, help against diabetes, eye scar, etc. The goal of these 2 products is to reach the visionary, as I think if the visionary liked the products, it will give it a big boost. I personally think that visionaries have a lot of influence to spread a product that they think is going to be good, and with respect to products, they have to be different from others to stand out, and that is what we are doing by obtaining honey with the best care towards the best to have a good product. The fruits are also bred with great care during their growth period, and might think the best hygiene as a priority along with care. Conclusion. Fructose should not necessarily be recovered the spin being able to cause problem. It should simply be put to good use without making excessive use and consumption of it. It is better to consume it with foods or fruit or products that contain it in a moderate way to able to enjoy it. Good flavor it provides. Thank you for attention.